Around.
So we have my contact yesterday. I just started yesterday. My Yomas, and songs. But you see, you have to go like some yeah, so if we can, I mean, boost our understanding. It's like
My daughter is
it's really no, please. So also that's my meditation for all one thing. When you have the symptoms, make it easier. You can generate more funds.
Yeah, I will actually go.
This is that.
Oh, okay. Richard, how are you? Good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Thank you. What do I need to know here?
So this is the maintenance unit.
Oh, okay.
So this is the church statuette. These are honorable Mr. So you take us through.
Honorable PC, you're welcome. So this is the general ward. This is the maternity. So we normally take care of the sick pregnant women. So when somebody comes with malaria and pregnancy and other conditions in pregnancy, we manage them with workers. And then when they come in labor, and labor is not fully established, we manage them until the sex is 4 cm, then we send it to them without it.
Accommodation.
This will save Worawora from all the way from the Abai and other 5 KJB, just a kind, and you can see it. So it's a referral unit. And in a month, we have emergency CS over 8 CS. It means that there is pressure on this. So what we do, one of our doctors, so there's a big table there.
Now,
so that's what I said. This is our table.
So please, these are the figures for last year. Yes, please. So we are here to enter January.
Hello.
So some of the cases comes with high rate, meaning they are maybe it's already dead.
When the hospital comes, they want to talk about motor feeder. Yeah.
So, as I said, the hospital, all these things, we don't have specialists. So we, the medical officers, we do all those business. So cases like is a pregnant woman after 28-week gestation who is bleeding. Sometimes we need to see some cases all the way from the Dambai at all hours. And if you tell them to come, they will tell you they don't have money for the transportation. Sometimes the ambulance will tell you unless they receive what you call the fuel support. without the fuel, and that fuel support is being paid by the patient